Hi again, Brad Rowan from IBM Data and AI, talking about IBM Cloud Private for data. Today we're talking about one of the most important technologies in ICP for data, true data virtualization. We've said before that feeding data to your enterprise is a lot like feeding your family. Someone in your family does the shopping, going to the corner grocery or the farmer's market, digging up potatoes in the backyard. For everyone else, food comes from the pantry and the kitchen. It's where everything you've shopped for is consolidated, and everyone in the house knows they can go to the pantry or the fridge and find everything they need. Business users in organizations need data to help them succeed, readily accessible whenever they want it. With data virtualization, not only are you making a wide range of data available to your enterprise, you're doing it without making another copy from a dozen or 100 different sources. ICP for data can efficiently access that data where it sits without creating new security concerns, without disrupting the separation of duties between data owners in different departments. And thanks to its revolutionary computational mesh approach, it can still produce dramatic performance, even joining hundreds of databases around the globe. The data engineer is the one who does the shopping. When the enterprise is hungry, it's the data engineer who gets them the data they need to operate, innovate, and grow. They can start here from the web interface accessible from any browser. When you log into ICP for data, choose Collect from the main menu, then navigate to Virtualized Data. From here, you can view and add data sources from a wide range of pre-installed sources or upload your own drivers. ICP for data will automatically find all the objects you have access to in those data sources. You can add objects by selecting them and adding them to the cart. But say you have similar data in multiple databases. For instance, I have patient data in multiple places. Maybe I just added a service provider or hospital through a merger or acquisition. I can actually combine those at the object level into what we call a global table. In this example, I have records from Boston and Tampa in separate tables, some in DB2 and others in Postgres. But I can add them as a single table. The result is one object that contains all the records of both tables in two completely different database products, visible to my business users as a single data set. No views required, no SQL, no explanations needed. And if another table comes along, well, I can add it to my global table without rewriting a single operation to run against the expanding data set. One client to access it all for a user community that doesn't need to be concerned about where it's coming from. What's next? Well, the sky's the limit. Governance of virtualized data to be sure it's safe and healthy to use. Great recipes from data scientists and business users that they can share with ICP for Data's collaborative features, and machine learning to wring the most out of your data's real value. I'm Brad Rowan. Look for more videos that show how ICP for Data can help you feed your growing enterprise.